Hello everyone, I am Mitali from Data and AI team would like to demonstrate an architectural diagram of how you can automate your data flow with Azure ADF and Power BI. Let's talk about how data from a bunch of different systems can come together. Businesses make smarter decisions all using this awesome architecture. So, your company's data is everywhere. You have got customer info sitting in Salesforce, financial data in Oracle NetSuite, operational stuff in SAP HANA, maybe HR data in Microsoft Dynamics 365, and let's not forget those endless Excel sheets, CSV files, and APIs floating around. Sounds familiar? Now, all of that data is valuable, but it is stuck in silos, and trying to get a full picture is tough. That's where Azure Data Factory or ADF comes into picture. Think of ADF like the traffic controller for your data. It connects to all those different systems and pulls the data in automatically. No more copy pasting from spreadsheets or manually running reports. ADF doesn't just move data, though it can clean it up, transform it, and even apply business rules as it flows through. Once the data is collected, it lands in Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. This is basically your cloud based, highly secure, infinitely scalable storage. It's the perfect place to keep raw or staged data before any heavy lifting happens. Next up, the clean the data moves into a data warehouse. This could be Azure Synapse Analytics if you are dealing with big data, or PostgreSQL if you want something more lightweight and relational. This is where everything gets structured and organized, ready for analysis. And finally, we have the star of the show, Power BI. This is where the magic happens. All the data that's been collected, cleaned, and stored is now available for dashboards, reports, and interactive visuals. So, whether you are tracking KPIs, looking at trends, or just trying to make sense of your operations, Power BI helps you see it all clearly. So, to sum it up, ADF brings your data together, ADLS Gen 2 stores it, the data warehouse organizes it, and Power BI helps you make sense of it. It's a powerful, flexible setup that helps businesses stop guessing and start making data driven decisions. Thank you.